नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In the previous two sessions, we studied about barbiturates, which are CNS depressants, in which we read about a brief introduction of barbiturates, symptomatology of acute poisoning of barbiturates, chronic poisoning of barbiturates, their fatal dose, their fatal period. Now, today we will start with the treatment of barbiturates poisoning. So, in case of ingestion of barbiturates, as it is usually taken by ingestion or by swallowing, so first of all, the barbiturate content should be removed from stomach or intestines to reduce the absorption, and this reduction of absorption will help in reducing the toxicity or poisoning effect of barbiturates. So to remove them, in case of stomach, gastric lavage is done, and in case of intestines, boil wash is done, which is very helpful. As there is no specific antidote for the barbiturates poisoning, as it depresses the central nervous system, so it may depress the respiratory system. So primary aim is to maintain the airway and to provide required air support, adequate respiratory support. So there is a Scandinavian method which uses anti-shock measures to maintain for the maintenance of patent airway and adequate respiratory support. Fluid replacement therapy is also very helpful in such cases. In case of shock, dopamine can be used. Normal saline with 5% of glucose is given IV to increase the rate of excretion so that barbiturates are rapidly excreted out of body. If required, in case of respiratory depression or difficulty in respiration, artificial respiration can be given, oxygen supply can be given, and if needed, an endotracheal tube can be inserted, and this endotracheal tube is left in situ or at its plates for the first 3 days, but after that a tracheostomy should be done to patent the airway. Keep the patient warm and remove the mucus from the throat to prevent any obstruction in breathing. In case of shock and low blood pressure, along with dopamine, noradrenaline can be used. While in shock, dopamine is given. In case of shock with low blood pressure, noradrenaline is useful. Hemodialysis is very useful. Charcoal hemoperfusion can be performed, and urine should be made alkaline, so forced alkaline diuresis. Mini heparinization, elastic stockings, and inflatable cuffs for deep vein thrombosis and thromboembolism. If there is deep vein thrombosis, DVT, or there is thromboembolism, then mini heparinization, elastic stockings, and inflatable cups are very useful. Antibiotics are given to minimize the risk of pneumonia, and to treat other symptoms, according treatment should be given. So what are the postmortem appearances? Basically, there is sign of asphyxia, and due to the death due to respiratory arrest, sign of asphyxia are present, cyanosis is present, and remnant of barbiturates may be seen in the stomach. There may be erosion of gastric mucosa. The fundus may be thickened, granular, and hemorrhage may be seen at the fundus. The cardiac end of stomach and lower esophagus may also be eroded due to the regurgitation. So there is erosion of esophagus, lower esophagus, cardiac end of stomach, and gastric mucosa, along with the thickening, granulation of fundus, and hemorrhage at the fundus. Congestion and edema of lungs is there with black discoloration, and in the lungs, placeal hemorrhage may also be present. This placeal hemorrhage may also be present on the pleura and pericardium. There is engorgement of whole venous system with dark deoxygenated blood, and kidney may show degeneration of the convoluted tubules. Next, the medico-legal aspect or medico-legal importance. It is used as a suicidal poison, but very rare as homicidal poison. Accidental poisoning is very important one, as it can be seen in some cases where it develops automatism or involuntary suicide. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.